noise and a crash, and my whole entire house shook. I saw a car wrecked right here, and I was like, what hit that car to make such a big crash? But then I looked over here and saw that that car crashed straight into that home. Luckily, there was no one in that home, so nobody is like fatally wounded. But the cops and ambulance have come, and they handled the situation. So there's 2 wrecked cars, and there's one that hit a freaking home. And my dad told me that right there where that lighty thing is, was where 3 children died a long time ago. And I was thinking they're haunted in this road, because this road always has cars crashing. It freaking hit that other home, and the freaking house just shook. Oh my god. It's mayhem. Huh.